Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we will learn what is loops in Java. Loops means to some work repeat over and over. I will explain an example. If we will print hello world 3 times, we can do it. But we will print hello world 1000 times, then we cannot do it. So it's for we will use loops. We will understand clearly by coding. Let's start. Go to editor. First of all, we will write 3 times hello world without using loops. We can do it easily. Hello world. Copy this line and paste. Paste. Run this code. Hello world 3 times printed. After that, we will print hello world 100 times without using loops. We cannot do it because it is take a lot of time. But we will print hello world 100 times using loops. We can do it easily. This code. After that, first of all, we will learn for loops. We will write for loops. For we will create an integer inside I equal to 0 semicolon I equal to less than 100 semicolon I plus plus. Here we will print hello world. Okay. Here I a variable. It's start from 0 and I will run till 100 and I is increment 1 by. Run this code. Hello world printed 100 times. This code we will write using while loop. Remove this line. We will write while loop. First of all, we will create a variable as an integer I equal to 0. Then while here I equal to less than 100, here we will print hello world and I plus plus. Run this code, but before run this code I will write I. Here, hello world is printed so 100 times. This same code we will write do while loop. Remove this code. Here we will create a variable as an integer I equal to 0. After that, do, here we will write hello world and I plus plus. Here we will write while and I equal to less than 100 and semicolon. We wrote do while loop. Run this code. Here hello world is printed 100 times. We will solve this question. Print the sum of first and natural number. What is natural number? Natural number is 1, 2, 3 and so on infinite. We will print the sum of natural number till 5. Initially I is equal to 0 and I less than equal to 5. It's mean I will execute till 5 and I plus plus, it's mean I increment by 1, and here sum initially is equal to 0 and then I added into sum, so sum is equal to 1. Second time I increment by 1, I is equal to 2 and I added into sum, then sum is equal to 3 and so on. First of all, we will create a scanner object. System.in. After that, we will create a variable n. Before this variable, we will print a statement for input. Enter a number and here we will create a variable. Variable name is sum equal to 0. After that, we will write for loop. Inside, we will create an integer I equal to 0 and I less than equal to n I plus plus. Here sum equal to sum plus I and after the loop we will print sum variable. We wrote this code. run this code. Here input as a 5 and here come a natural number 15. Let's again run this code. Input here 8. Here come a natural number 36. I hope you understand. If you have doubt, do comment. Thanks for watching video.